If you are hungry, you would like to have a pizza or any other such eatable because it has a demand and you are going to get some satisfaction out of it. But can you quantify this satisfaction? Can you say that by having 2 pieces of pizza, I am going to be satisfied till the unit of 5 or 8 or 10? No, it's not possible to quantify the satisfaction. However, the economists have tried to quantify this level of satisfaction by an imaginary unit called utils. The concept of utility seems to be abstract, but it is useful to explain why and how the consumers make decisions. When utils are converted in monetary terms, it is utility of money in the sense to buy pizza you need to spend money. Trying to say, by spending some money, you expect to get some satisfaction out of it. And the additional satisfaction that you get by spending an additional amount of money is called marginal utility of money. So let's understand this concept of marginal utility of money in detail. Hello everyone. Welcome to Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Untitled Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing series for our 4 subjects to give you an insight about the courses offered at our website that will help you to prepare for your CBSE and CUET examinations. Before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, then hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our free valuable videos. And if you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Now let's get started. Let us understand the concept of marginal utility of money with the help of a numerical example. As is known, the consumer needs to compare benefits or utility with the price of the commodity for which he has to pay. Since marginal utility is in terms of utils, it needs to be expressed in terms of money in order to facilitate comparison. So, marginal utility of money is the additional satisfaction a consumer gets from spending an extra unit of money. Let's have a look at this numerical example. Now suppose Sunil is willing to spend rupees 40 out of his pocket money to buy an ice cream. It is same as saying that how much utility Sunil would get if he consumes 1 scoop of ice cream. Because utility in money terms is the amount he is willing to pay. If marginal utility of consuming 1 scoop of ice cream is 40 utils, with the assumption that 1 util is equal to 1 rupee, then it means Sunil is willing to pay rupees 40 for 1 scoop of ice cream. Similarly, for 2 units, if marginal utility is 34 utils, it implies that he is willing to pay rupees 34 for 2 units. So as more and more units are consumed, marginal utility goes on declining and the price he is willing to pay also goes on declining. But if satisfaction is 2 utils, then marginal utility of money is 2. Then Sunil is willing to pay half the amount, that is 20 rupees for first unit, 17 rupees for the second unit, 12 rupees for the third unit, and so on. So marginal utility of money is the additional satisfaction a consumer gains from spending an extra unit of money. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.